Sure, I would do honestly. Jody?
Kaya barak moeder! Mas en die Patriots en on behalf van onze president af, onze deputy president en die NEC en die Patriotic Alliance om ons sê dankie vir mami vir die request wat ma ingesit het omdat ma nie 'n rolstoel het nie en dan het ons ook 'n paar diapers soos mami aangevra het. En sê dankie vir die hulp van ma. Ja, my woord is my eer, my ma. Ek kom nie uit nou en dan hou ek nie by jou belofte. Ek sal dit altyd sê, ek maak beloftes wat ek nie kan nakom. Die skipper, ja.
Die skipper.
Ja, die skipper as in?
Ja, een van hulle gaan gou skipper gaan.
En kyk net vir my, ja. En die bak, ja. En die bak hier. 'n medium, bring hy medium enetjie.
En je ziet dat bedoel, die donkere jaren. En dat is ook wel nog. Dat is leuk om te lezen.
Hallo, salut. Bijzijtje. Ons bijzen.
Of een wereld afgekomen. Of naar het gaan. Meer bij mijn wordt goed. Ik kan misschien dat zijn. Als ik daar voorbij ik kan maken. Ja, ik kan niet. Mijn
Ja, nee. Mas en weet mos waar staan jy, waar jou crazy by jy maar. Yes. Ons sal jou bloklieder maak, moenie worry my sister. Ja. Kan ons vir mas en help met die dit in kom weer. Joey, some manne krak hier so guys. Sorry, op weer daar op weer.
Okay, come on.
Leader?
U-turn.
Dan sê hulle kinders die posters groot op my venster.
Okay, I'll take your side.
Jy wil nog aan op jou venster.
You take it.
Die een is op tas 20 op my venster. Die gaan daar in my Sorry. Ah, mas en salut. Salut pa.
Vars.
Salut.
Die skipper, daar is die skipper.
Kan ik mij jetzt vragen om net bietjie so te staan na Devonay en was mes die foto's. Maar Pango staan net so as ek dankie.
Leader?
Dika. Pas, as vir my pas aan en pas ja.
Maar as iets en as kom met my kleintjie vat.
Die size pas.
is goed. Je bly daar zo.
I am boy. As man nog single. Ik ben net 8 van.
Oh, nee, maar ze zijn in de available.
Ik weet niet waar gaan Inky daar.
Op my berg en mos kom en die op moet daar kom maar ek het hulle gou volg en as jy hulle kom klop se polisie, hulle bietjie hulle fok ook. Kan jy hulle my geroep en hulle klop 10 maal. Hoe sê ek julle klop se fok en polisie. Hey, met my.
Maar dis hoekom ons hulle hulle moet mos sê, hulle het mos hulle tyd gehad. En hulle 15 jaar, hulle het 15 jaar gehad. Jy hulle sê,
Merlin het die tak die skoon kom maak. Merlin het ons drein skoon kom maak. Sê jy as jy moet wat gaan die aan op my venster jy kom klop nog vir seks. Wanneer by my neighbor toe seks is ook nie.
jy moet so reël van
Hy is ook baie sê hulle wie jy.
No man. Salute.
Salute, PA, salute! Salute, Merlin Small, salute! Salute, Patriots, salute!
Beautiful patriots. Leader in the Johannesburg area, Merlin Smalls. Well, as the leading up to the elections this coming week, see some of the other things that they also showing that they're doing in the community. And obviously, with the help of the president and the MEC. So this is also very beautiful that in communities where elders need stuff and you can see that, for example, they have a real need and need to be able to be mobile. You have to see how you can help them, because communities, councillors are the people who are really at the ground. They need to understand mostly the people who need them the most. Especially our elders, as we need to take care of our elders, patriots. We need to take care of our elders. So it's very, very beautiful what you see here. Very, very beautiful. The old lady sitting there struggling seems to have been alone because there's nobody who came out of the house with her. She was probably alone at the time. Maybe somebody's there later on, not sure. But that already also tells you about the need for this wheelchair. Now they finally have it, where moving will be a whole lot easier. And she just shocked, probably didn't even expect it. But the president, the MEC, the deputy president, they thought that there's somebody we saw when we went to this area the previous Sunday, and now let us see how we can help them. Let us see how we can help the people of this area. Let us show them, leading to these by-elections, how serious is the party about changing lives, about changing lives of real South Africans, old ladies, old men, young kids, teenagers, and everybody in the community. All people from different backgrounds of races and communities. That is the Patriotic Alliance, a unifier of people. And also, if you were to check, just to show that the kindness, the kind heart, the humanity. Just look at that, patriots. Just look at that. Khamoy, man. Just look at that. You can just imagine the joy she had that day. Just imagine the joy she had on Human Rights Day. And people come and say that you are a human, you deserve better, and we will contribute to making sure that you get better. You are an elder of this community, one that we respect, one that we love, and one that we will also be there to take care of. That is what patriotism is all about. That is what patriotism is all about. Compatriot, compatriot. This is very, very beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very beautiful. Actually shed a tear the way I was so happy. The way I was just so happy seeing this. Patriots at it again. Oh, I love being a Patriot. Ah, look at that. Patriots, I hope you also enjoy being a Patriot. I hope you enjoy being a Patriot. Mspaizani, I love you all. And please do like and subscribe.
Sure, I would do honestly.